Hello, beautiful people. What's good? We're back at it. Had a very long weekend. I'm not dying, but I'm freaking tired. I am tired, but at the same time, it's okay. It's good. We had a very nice trip out to the coast, which was great, which felt awesome, which was needed to rest a little bit to offload, let's say. I just love doing a lot of sports in one go, so that makes me chill. So I very much hope everybody's having a very bright Monday. Sun is still shining in Lithuania, so I hope you're enjoying a little bit of good weather still. Possibly, Oh, sorry for the noises. And if you're not, skip this live stream, go out, do something nice, will be better for you. But Ignas, why would you ever say go out, go do something nice? Because we're diving into this. And we're starting this live stream with saying that you shouldn't be trading today. Why? Because we have no economic news drivers coming into the market for a Monday, which buyer protocols itself, for risk management protocols, is a very easy thing to be dealing with and very easy thing to work with, because we're not interested in taking any trades today because there's no news drivers and the market is just literally gonna be a shite. Will it? Who knows, but possibly, probably. Possibilities are endless in a way. I'm not looking for anything good today. Next, Tuesday. I'm not too excited because CPI Wednesday is coming into the market. To be fair, I'm not interested in much up until the point that CPI hits the market itself on 8:30. This is my time, so 8:30 a.m. New York time. I have no interest in that beforehand. So my majority of the risk is coming into the market after CPI releases, after PPA on Thursday, leading into the Friday. That's my interest. And before that happens, I'm not too excited for what's to come. And me not being too excited for what's to come is coming through the analysis that I'm gonna give you shortly, maybe not too shortly, on most of the trading peers we're working with. Okay, so looking at the bonds itself, volume imbalance has been broken. We've been watching this volume imbalance for quite a while, all of us, right? Haven't we? And it just got broken to the upside. Am I interested in continuation now higher towards the high of the most recent range? Totally possibility. Is it possible that a double top now comes into play like it is right now? Even better, because everybody will start shorting the bonds now. Because, supply holds the market in place. Demand, whatever they call this. Everybody is going to be expecting a crash now. I'm going to be watching this imbalance. Everything above it is bullish for me. If we crash below it, sell stops are residing down below. Crash below this, like that, is only indicating me a very massive move to the upside afterwards. Okay? So am I interested in the price going a little bit lower for now? Yes, because we have a daily imbalance to fill. If we crash below it, my target is 121 sharp. Up until that point, okay, really? Let's allow the CPI to hit the market and show us its hand, all right? Dollar index. I said we're not looking for a bottom here, but I said it like 3 weeks. At the same time, this inversion holds in the market. In my opinion, we're just going to accumulate a little bit of liquidity here. We're going to allow the people to start trusting the fact that the market has found a bottom, and then we're just going to rip through. My opinion. Watch this. Wednesday, the 4th, daily imbalance is going to be important. Everything below it pushes the market lower. If we close above it, we're looking at 102s to be delivered. Maybe even buy side at 103, 103, 600. somewhere around that. So watch this possibly panning out. If not, everything below this is bearish for me. Okay. Looking at lower time frame, I was watching this 4 hours imbalance. It just got inverted, and now we're kind of sticking to the plan, but not really. I would love the market just to run higher from here without any retracement, but we are giving a. So if we do start retracing lower, where's my, here we go. 5 minutes chart, watch this sell side resting down below. Short term, it's a very good possibility for the market to deliver, okay? So watch that closely. I'm possibly not gonna be able to find any trades here. It doesn't seem like it, but buy stops and buy side delivering the price a little bit higher, that's my interest, okay? This is euro and this is perfect. Saying it out loud, this is euro and this is perfect. Look what I was expecting for the market to do. I wanted this to remain open, not to get closed. This waking through it, not an issue, but basically everything that we called for is happening right now, with a 4 hours inversion happening as well. So everything below the imbalance here, put this to your notes. Everything this below this is bearish, drawing the price towards 110127. That's the bullish order block from a weekly chart that I'm gonna be interested in for this upcoming week. Okay. Going to lower time frame. Can we retrace? Yes, we can. Swing low is getting formed. Buy side definitely resting up above the Asian highs, right? Am I interested in the price delivering it? Not really. I want to see sell side being run through. Is there a possibility for me to go long if this candle closes up 2 to 22 panning out, right? Sell side bomb taken, push to the upside. Quite a possibility, isn't it? I'm gonna be watching this very, very closely, alright, on the 5 minutes chart. But at the same time, take a look at the, let me take the of the market. Daily is bearish. That's my only interest. Like I'm not looking for anything else here, right? So keep that in mind. Watch for a possibility for the market to give us lower prices. And I said euro, beautiful, pound, I don't know, superb price delivery. Nice word to say. Look how this daily imbalance got inverted and allowed the market to go lower. 4 hours optimal trade entry. Take a look here. Buy side being run through, right? Constantly. Double top taken. Smart money reversal. Bomb crash. Oh, risk. This is so good. So now what I'm watching myself is this 4 hours imbalance. Everything below this 4 hours imbalance is bearish for me. I'm not interested in the market going any higher. I want this 1.29895 to be delivered. And that's what I'm gonna be watching for pound. And going into lower time frames, bounce away from this, yes, totally a possibility. We just ran out 2 sell side liquidity pulls away from the market. Coming here to crash, that would be lovely. I want this to remain open. I very much would appreciate that remaining open, but if we decide to continuously go lower, watch this, all right? Booking this in Wednesday, Thursday, maybe high of the week. Why not? Okay. Continuously watch this, right? But I'm much more interested in euro and that 5 minutes possible entry. So I'm gonna be watching that, all right? Possibly even gonna put an entry there as well. Let's do that. Buy limit set. We're gonna do 100 pips stop loss. And the markets are opening in 1 minute. So we're gonna stop the analysis for a little bit and we're gonna dive into the market opening. Okay. But at the same time, possibly not, because I'm just not interested until the point at 10 a.m. So we're just gonna wait for 10 a.m. and we're gonna continuously work with the analysis that we wanted to do. I hope you don't mind me doing that. I hope you don't. The markets are open, but I won't really care about the fact that the markets are open, to be fair. So hope you don't mind. Let's continue diving into this. Let's continue watching for what we're expecting this week to bring us. Coming into coming into the S&P 500 or ES futures. Bottom has been found. Retracement back into this. I want to see lower prices. Like, I'm not interested in the market going any higher than it is right now. At the moment, this is what I'm watching, this 4 hours imbalance. Everything below 54.70 is bearish for me. And I'm only interested in the market crashing here. So I'm going to be watching buy stops being possibly run through. This 1 hour fair value gap getting filled and the market crashing afterward. Otherwise, I'm literally, I have nothing to do here otherwise. And we're going to watch this hourly imbalance very, very closely throughout the day. Maybe we're gonna come back into it, because why I'm noting this, and euro should give me an entry very, very soon. Come on, euro. Come on, euro. Come on, euro. Get filled. Come on. This being run through and pushed to the upside happening, very nice. Like, I totally understand this. I can totally appreciate. But my drawn liquidity was, and it still is, higher right now. Short term, only short term, right? I'm watching this being delivered short afterward, okay? Because we're gonna have a lot of sell side being accumulated. And yeah, we have a new week opening gap down below. And the market very, very nicely opening and pushing the price to the up. So let's do a little bit of markups here. Hourly, nothing that really interests me. 15 minutes sell side very much being accumulated here. So let's note that not only sell side liquidity pool, we have an hourly imbalance down below also. Surprise, surprise. And here, nothing that really interests me. We're gonna dive into NASDAQ today a little bit more than ES. Ooh, watch this, double bottom down. I like this. What else? Like this too. A few levels to watch, right? And the most important thing throughout the day, first imbalance of the day, the most enjoyable thing to watch day in, day out. Okay? Let's take a look at NASDAQ and what am I watching. I'm watching for NASDAQ to deliver lower prices. ICT actually posted a very nice analysis video that is, at least in my opinion, way too in-depth. Some of you guys said that it's kind of illegal to watch it. Feels illegal to watch it, which I totally agree with, but not necessary. So, few important things to know. Weekly order block has to be in your notes. We're bouncing away from it right now. And I'm watching this 50% of the week. That's my interest so far. I have this weekly imbalance as well in my notes, but I don't want to overcrowd this chart. So As soon as we're gonna close below this, sell side is definitely coming into play. Okay. Daily chart. What have we done so far here? We started bouncing away from this daily imbalance, inverting it. So coming back into the range here, very much a possibility. I would very much appreciate that, actually. Hi, Edgar. How are you today? We're almost done with the analysis, so as soon as I'm gonna finish this off, we're gonna go next. Okay? I'm very much interested in the market retracing back into the range right here and crashing right after. That would be awesome. That would be lovely. I would very much that. Optimal trade entry here in terms of a previous day low being attacked. High of the entry, Thursday high of the week, kinda, right? Very nice trading week overall, just for the market to crash lower. Exactly what we expected also. So now what I'm watching, I'm still watching lower price to be delivered. I want this to be offered in terms of the daily inversion. Push to the upside, bomb crash lower. First partial comes off here at the 50% level. And then 17,338. That's my interest. How do we get there? Can we push higher? Yes, we can. How much? I would love this imbalance to hold in the price. So on paper, this is a short possibility already for us. I'm not touching. I'm not that crazy. I'm not that excited to take a trade. So I'm not touching it just yet. But this is my chart. This is what I'm watching. Old new week opening gap, pushing the higher. Now the market is coming into this hourly imbalance, and very honestly, watch the 50% level of it. In my honest opinion, we shouldn't push any higher than that, because we would be kind of crossing through the 15 minutes imbalance itself right here from Friday 10:15. Have no interest in the market delivering so much pressure for buy side resting. If this gets inverted, if this 1 hour imbalance gets inverted, watch this. 19,040. I'm not interested in that at all, but watch that closely, all right? Keep that in mind as a possibility. New week opening gaps down there. What do we have? Are we working? First imbalance of the day, inverted into the double bottom down below, and this is a nice. So Edgar has traded it, maybe not, I don't know, but showed me this. Watch that. Sell side resting down below, and ICT right now is presenting a YouTube 2024 model where you kind of measure quite a few things, but you prioritize 7 a.m. where you start tracking the price. Again, time or 7 a.m. you start tracking the price and what it does and what kind of highs and lows it creates. And watch this. We have sell side resting down below. Have swing low being created, but what happened? Zoom in here. We have a swing low here at the top. An imbalance allowing the market to crash. But not only that, watch this. Breaker block. Breaker block plus fair value gap. Smart money reversal has to happen here. Isn't that true? And not only that, bam, look what happens right after. Can you short this? Be my guest. But I would never do that. I would wait for a possible and probable trade entry, right? What happens when the market crashes here? We invert the most recent fair value gap here that allows the market to draw higher, right? Inversion happens. breaker block gets because we higher high. Oh, guess what this is? Bum. Have your have entry right there. 35 fucking. How nice that is. Very nice draw on liquidity in terms of quadruple bottom. Nothing here is random. I still can't believe people think that there's no algo running the market, that supply demand and weird indicators and weird zones can do the work for you. It just feels. But again, guys, for this summary, don't trade today, which is Monday. Very careful of CPI hitting the market on Wednesday. Put majority of your risk for Thursday trading. Make it easy for yourself or yourselves. And personally, I'm only watching lower prices. I'm not interested in anything else. That analysis purely is coming from. With that in mind, good trading. Let's dive into this, okay? Let's do this. I got excited to trade now. I shouldn't be, but I got excited, man. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what we can do today. I got that trade open on Euro though. I have a trade open on Euro, but we're not interested in that because we all gathered here for what? Gathered here for index futures. Trading index, haven't we? So let's start diving deep into this. We're getting that inversion offered, aren't we? Am I gonna trade this? No. Answer is no. Why? Because I just ranted for 20 minutes or so how I'm not going to trade today. Smart, isn't it? Stay hydrated though. And hey, Edgaras, hope you're good. Hope you're having a beautiful day today. Again, we said we're interested in 54 600s, right? I'm watching this close. Let's see if that is a possible. If this gets inverted, YouTube 2022 entry, yeah. I'm not gonna touch this now. No, thank you. Not taking this. But something to evaluate. Something to watch, right? So we're watching this YouTube 2022 after an inversion to pan out. Possibly give an opportunity of market continuously going lower. Gonna be interesting to see. And this is what I'm watching. I'm not in a trade though. No, thank you. Not interested. Not today. Why I'm watching lower prices though? Check this out. Look at what kind of massive opening range gap we have on both charts. Look how huge that is. Like, it's not even, it's massive. Like, when was the last time you've seen something like that? Huh? You know? So, we're gonna do some, no. Market closed here, regular. Top, that's the top of the gap. That's the bottom of the gap. All right. I'll always give 3 trading days for the market to come back to this. Am I interested for this to be drawn to throughout today? I would love to see that. I would very fucking love to see that. Will we? I have no fucking idea. Not yet. All right. So, I'm watching this. I'm watching the new week opening gap down below. I am. What else am I watching? I have the first fair value gap of the day here noted. That I'm incredibly interested in. Incredibly. I'm repeating myself. Yeah. This consolidating totally alright for us. And I'm not in the trade, right? I'm just supervising the keywords. Supervising, alright? Take a screen this. Let's put it to the Discord community for the guys to watch as well. I'm very much watching this now. I'm watching if the regular trading hours top is gonna allow the market to find a little bit of support, let's say. And if it does, this run is kind of over. And if not, watch this. Watch the 50% level here. And if we kind of crash below it, so 58.75. If we crash below this, that's where I'm becoming very interested in the price delivering a lot lower. Now this pushing to the upside right after regular trading hours. Top got delivered. How fucking random is that? Euro so far delivering not too crazy, but could be better, let's say. Could be better. So we're watching this YouTube 2022 offering sell side now, right? The macro is starting in 2 minutes from now, so that's where my interest is gonna reign, right? Even though today is a low probability trading day, I'm never saying to no to a good trade entry. I'm gonna be watching this very Now on paper, you should have partialed off. So if you entered the trade, and if you believe together with me that the market is going to crash lower away from this fair value gap, you should have partialed off already. Soon, right? But watch this. This is a 5 handles move. What am I teaching you constantly? What am I asking you to watch for? What am I constantly cheering you about in a way? I want you to look for 5 handles single time you push it. 5 handles given. 5 handles given. Yeah. This can still continuously crash lower. It can. It should, to be fair. But we're gonna see how quickly, how... This getting inverted? Does it mean forex? Gonna be able to answer? That draws the price higher towards that hourly fair value gap, 54. 71.25. That's my interest right away. Macro just started. Surprise, surprise. Macro started 1 fucking minute ago. Euro is something that I don't like too much. We'll see what I do here, but I don't like that sudden crash lower when everything moves up to the up. When everything else moves higher to the upside, you know? I don't like when the markets go out of sync. We have another imbalance here. So this getting inverted should, on paper, push the market to the upside. How high? 54.72. Watch that. Watch that incredibly closely. Okay? But this opening range gap, like massive. Take a look at this. Huge. Huge. Huh? Well, we're gonna come back to it once we start trading lower. So far, like expected, the market opens up, offers a U2 2022 entry, 5 handles, bomb, taken, push to the upside from what? 15 minutes inversion and regular trading hours top. How random is that? I love stuff. Euro so far, not so. I'm gonna go in the trade. I'm just not gonna be too excited about what is happening there. Adjusted. Oh, and Q now, interesting. Are we gonna be able to hold on to this? Or are we gonna start crashing lower already? Macro is here. Would I be interested to short this? Oh, hell yeah. Love that. I would definitely love that. So we have an SMT here at the top now, right? So if you went long here, you should be taking something off. Again, risk management, that's the most important thing for this upcoming week. That is hella important this week. Up until the point that CPI releases, right? If you took that trade on ES in terms of a buy, because there was a buy offer, inversion happened. Push to the upside, draw on liquidity, 5471.25. Let me show you. Right here. Beautiful trade, brilliant trade. You should be taking something off here because of that SMT at the top. Two markets that are supposed to work in tandem are trading against each other. Hmm? High, low, higher, high. I'm just trying to understand whether for the session itself, which is 10 a.m., whether the market is going to continuously push higher or not. I'm not certain. Watch this. Where's this volume imbalance? Right here. Euro not too cold so far. Nasdaq now closing above this. Not saying I'm gonna long this, not yet. Need 10 a.m. to come. Push deeper into that imbalance. Yes, please. Watch this also. This is what I'm gonna be watching. Halfway through this hourly imbalance, that's what I'm gonna be watching. When the handles move, I trade for you. How many fucking times have I called the market already? How many? We did this, haven't we? That was one. I'm just posting on Discord, sorry about this. One. Two is coming through, right? Let's go! Two is coming through. I'm okay with this topping here now. I'm okay with this. So let's watch it. What do we have? Like this? This is massive. This is a big imbalance. Juicy. Noticeable as well, right? We like imbalances that are big. That are easy to see. Like that. Alles left open here on the S. I would love still to get up there. I would love to see that. Let me check this. 15 minutes. We're right. We're pushing higher. We're cold. Let's watch this closely as well. Don't get confused with how much stuff charts. Right? Oh, 5 minutes. And watch this close because I'm still interested in the price being lower. I am. So all we gotta do is we gotta find a possibility. How fucking random is this top, huh? Let's go. How random? Am I in? I'm talking to myself now in a way. Am I interested in the price driving any higher from here? I'm not. So I'm kind of getting closer and closer to a possibility of looking for a is nice. Hmm. But very tradable range so far though. Like sadly, in a way, because I make a decision not to trade it before come to the live stream, before I come to work with the price and see what it's gonna offer me. I make majority of my decisions actually beforehand, but hmm. SMT at the top now. Inverting this. Do you hear the excitement in my voice already? If that inverts, you're closing the ES also. Ten more seconds. You're out of ES and you're kind of saying, okay, I'm shorting NQ. So, this, beautiful. 2 out of 2 for the day. Fucking. And we're watching NQ to possibly deliver a top. Like, if we got that today, it's gonna be fucking massive, man. Like, this is gonna be huge. Let's watch this now. Going to handle stop loss. Interesting. So, another SMT being offered. I'm watching this very, very closely. I'm very, very interested in this delivering lower prices now. Is this my model? Yo, yeah, it is. SMT is here at the top. Market is supposed to crash. I like this. So far, so good. So far, so good. Good. Another SMT. How many SMTs are we gonna get? Though, guess what just delivered? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what just delivered? Huh? I don't like what happened here. I want this to crash. Rapid now. ASAP. I don't like what is happening. I want this to go lower ASAP. I don't want us hanging out here at all now. Top of the fair value gap right here. Like, I want this crashing. We've given too many options for the market to go lower, and we haven't. Again, 15. Oh my, let me fix it. Object. Bam, 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 bam. Let me fix this also. We're diving deeper into this. So this is where I kind of say, okay, I'm not interested in this anymore because nothing that I wanted to see panning out has panned out. Okay? Nothing so far that I was interested in has given me an opportunity to work with the price. This pushing the price to the upside nicely. This is cool. 3, 2, 1. Let me get rid of a lot of stuff. There's a lot of this we up. That stuff on it. I'm still interested in the price drawing lower. Crazy, huh? Still interested in that. But I just got ripped apart. I just got ripped apart looking for that possibility. Is this a top now? Right? We believed in that. Belief in this stuff was lovely. It was lovely. Think I'm not gonna be able to get the read on this no more, sadly. I'm just going through the other markets now. What are we gonna do for the rest of the day? Because I like dollar continuously going. I mean, this is where the whole short idea comes from. This pushing to the upside. I want that. Euro listening, GBP listening. Good. We happy though. I think we're gonna get another push to the up, possibly. And again, let me do two charts, one next to another. I'm coming back to indices. We have an SMT here at the bottom now again. I'm not gonna make a decision on based on this to trade it. Keep it in mind. SMT's at the bottom and forex. That in mind. Okay. And this looks like NFP or something now. Be careful. Take care. What a crash. Let's stay to 5 minutes. I think this is a little bit clearer. Or at least seems a little. Q2 2022 possibly panning out. So again, I'm sticking to my gut. I'm sticking to the same draw on liquidity is lower. I am interested in that. I'm watching a possibility of the market. Again, think trusting the 5 minute. A little bit teeny tiny today. 2 minutes. 1 minute. Yeah. I think I'm gonna wait for the regular trading hours top to get taken away from us and then make that decision. Maybe a short here from this old new week opening gap. Maybe. But I'm holding off. I'm still waiting. Watching this is the first fair value gap of the day. Allowing the market to go lower. I'm watching that. Because the structure now is full on broken. Swing low taken, swing low not yet taken, but at least on NQ, structure is fully broken. Five. I need this to get broken. I really need this. 5 minutes possible. Q2 2022 is getting opened up, right? I'm gonna be watching this. watching that. I don't like the fact how that hourly value gap got filled so badly, you know. I was very much hoping for the 50% level to hold in the price. But now we went into, it's fine that we got into that higher quadrant, which is 3/4 the imbalance itself. It's alright. But this is a nice push to the downside, but I'm still waiting. It's crazy, I'm still waiting, but I am. Minutes not. One more minute to go. At the same time, this YouTube 2022 is opening up. Push up. Or for falling any lower. Where are we at? For where we are trading from right now. Eh? That in mind. And this also. Wait. Yeah, we're gonna get that 5 minutes inversion now. We have that YouTube 2022 opening. We're gonna watch that later into the day, okay? But now, exactly what I wanted is happening. We're breaching that regular trading hours top. Now I'm interested in the price going lower. Now I'm looking for something good to pin out, possibly going below this new week opening gap on NQ. My interest now. Huh? Hello, Benes. How are you, man? What's good? What's poppin'? What is good? I can't short this, but I'm watching this new week opening gap, allowing the prior window. Word, what? Hmm? Sticking to the reality of coming days. Um, 10 minutes break of structure. 5 minutes already broken, right? I'd love a short. Like I would love to see. Touching the top of the gap here, brilliant. Watch this. Put this to your notes. Screenshot that. Screenshot that. 50% of the wick broken. Random. I want this going lower now. No need to retrace any higher. The weak opening gap holding in the price also. Beautiful. Watch this. This should allow the market to crash continuously now. Nice, huh? Very nice. Screenshot this. Screenshot this. Funny, yes. And Q, you could measure this. Percent of the gap. Beautiful delivery as well. Like so far, so good. Did I short this? Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. I'm waiting. I have a short. Oh, 5 handles. I would be very happy with. Mhm. So far, so good. So far, so good. Everything to my liking. Have an inside candle now. And this is where we're gonna start getting into a stop of this because market is gonna deliver lower. And what I'm doing now is very simple. I'm waiting for next 2 candles to book the price. So 3 candles in total up until 1038. And when 1038 comes, if the market hasn't moved where I wanted, I'm closing. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. If we're just gonna start pushing from where we are at right now higher, I'm not interested. 2 more candles. Boom. Gotta get going. Gotta get going. Got to the place where I'm making a decision now. No decision made yet. Because I need this move. Nasdaq is kind of giving it. Not yet, but it's moving. Whatever way it goes, it doesn't matter. If it goes higher, I'm closing the trade simply. If it's higher, I'm happy with it. And Q is moving. Yes has to follow now. Like literally right now. This is the last candle I'm holding this trade on. And at the same time, let's do... Nice. Nice stuff. 54.36. Love to see that, man. I would love. Nice. We're opening this up. Oh, that's fine. Stop loss at break even, which is with add break even too. Now we're not interested in the market going any lower than this way. Any higher, sorry. And higher than this. Bam. Perfection so far. This ain't supply demand though. This is just noting the wick. What you should be noting on paper is the 50% of it. Putting the whole wick in front of it. Not an order block, not a breaker block, whatever. Just note the close of the candle and the wick of the low of it. I'm not interested in the price. Push lower. Go lower. Wicks only do the damage. That's what we landing top. Well, far so good. And Q is trading a lot better. A lot better. Where's the 50% of the finally an opening of MQ? So everything. So if you're in this trade from here now, from right there, if you're holding it, right? This was a legit trade entry. Outside. Oh, in terms of an hourly imbalance. They handle stop loss. Right here, right there. You're literally not interested in the price delivering any higher than this. Make it simple for you. As soon as this breaks, just close off the position. So far, so fucking good though. This is a nice trading day. So guys, put it very, very simple. What was the interest while listening to this? Or prices. We went short once. Let me film. Just give me a second. I want to finish the stream, so go over what we did so far today. We came into the marketplace expecting lower prices, right? I had no interest in the market booking any higher. And this is what we kind of worked with. The market opened up, pushed us to the upside. First imbalance of the day, right here. 222 into 2. This is the position that you could have taken any time of the day. Stop loss above 5 handles. Beautiful stuff. 22. This is you being done for next trade. Next thing that we're watching is close above this inversion, right? Immediately after close, enter position. Run liquidity, the most recent hourly fair value gap that we've been interested in for the of the day. 1 to 2 risk reward pretty much also. Push to the upside here. Am I interested in anything here? No, but what I'm watching is this IFD here, allowing the market to crash, kind of confirming me that, okay, this is it. We're getting there, we're getting lower. 5 minutes inversion, I'm not touching it neither. And now the possible YouTube 2022, check your 5-minute chart here for the entry. This is where I entered the trade itself. I was expecting, we talked about it many times today, that I want to see the market going below 50% of this wick. We got that. Regular trading hours top is being treated as an entry for me. I enter, I hold on to it inside candle, and I'm expecting for the next 3 candles to start moving the market away from it. Brilliant stuff. I'm already break even. I'm good. I'm good for the rest of the day pretty much, you know? So I'm making it very simple for myself. I hope you are too. And just out of interest, let me show you around on NQ what happened on NQ so far. The market opens up, pushes the price to the upside. First fair value gap of the day, we're noting that we're extending it to the right. Another fair value gap allowing the market to push higher, and one more push to the upside away from it. Am I interested in any of this? No. Why? Because I'm interested in the market delivering lower, right? And what do we have up here? This gray shaded area right here is an old hourly fair value gap. 50% of it is up here. The higher quartile is up here. Guess where the market tops? Like, there's nothing random about this top. We called it half an hour ago in the live stream itself. Like, this is crazy for some of the people, but this is how the market works. This is how market book tops. It ain't fucking random. Market crashes, I'm not participating in. Then 5-minute imbalance opens up. Check your 5-minute charts. We get a confirmation for this structure being broken. I have no entry here. No entry for me. This is your first possible. Here, once the market closes below the first 1 minute fair value gap of the day, this is your entry. Bam, 1022. Outside resting down below. You're interested in that. And then we have a imbalance. They allowed the initial move to the upside to happen, getting inverted. This looks a little bit intense, so let me clean it up. We have an old new week opening gap right here. Inversion, but I'm not interested for the market to draw into here. I'm not interested for the market to offer a trade entry on NQ here. So I'm not touching it. I trade ES. I called it for you as well, guys. Like I'm going nuts in a way because some of you still don't believe that algo delivers the price, but hold upon. At the same time, I'm not waiting for the regular trading hours top be offered because I'm watching this 50% level. Boom. This is your trade entry. Market delivers lower immediately. I'm watching this hourly fair value gap. Watch 18480.25 on NQ and watch 5446.5 down. Very simple math. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope you were able to trade this, because this has been an awfully good trading day. So I very much hope you found this insightful. I very much hope you like this. Leave a like down below on the video itself. It means bunches for me. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow.